I bet you guys are wondering, what do people do for meal prep? Here's how I do it. This isn't going to be where it's turkey and celery sticks and some almonds and put it in a Tupperware thing. No, I wasn't even going to do a video today, but I was going to do a meal prep for the next at least few days. And so I was like, I'll just record it. First off, got some deviled eggs. To make deviled eggs. Where am I going to start? Y'all, I'm not even prepped today. I don't even know what I'm starting with. See, but I see a lot of people in Facebook groups that are like, I'm a busy mom. I have work all day. I don't want to come home and cook a meal. Of course, that's why meal prepping is meal prepping. Okay, I am doing my bacon wrapped chicken. That my very first video. I love it. I have got a ton of chicken tenders, but I love this recipe. What am I doing? See, you even see the camera here. I don't care. I need to buy some of these where I can actually see what the measurements are. Oh, $4.25. This product has no significant nutritional value. Thanks. You know, I should probably double this up with this amount of chicken. Yep. Done. Welcome to my mess. 4 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. I don't think so. Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoons. Did that answer your question?
Yes. Lazy. Mix that up right good. Okay. Don't come after me about my fingers on the chicken. I will wash them. Bacon, you just can't get away with not putting sugar in there. Once again, this is perfect. No sugar. The ingredients are fantastic. $5 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. You can't, yeah. Gonna give this a little shaky poo. Yeah. Not enough coating on some of these. Oh, how the hell does bacon spit? Oh, this was some good fatty bacon too. Might need 2 of these suckers. Definitely. Good Lord. I haven't had these big of chicken tenderloins before. All right. 35 minutes. I'm having to reassess because something that I was going to cook went bad. So I'm like, well, what am I going to do with the rest of the chicken? So I'm just going to try and bread it and do like a chicken tenderloin. I don't know. I'm not even using a recipe. Flavorless pork rinds. I don't know. Always has these little bits. I'm going to give some of this. Here you go. I don't know what I'm doing. How long? 35. Let's see, 20. I didn't put a timer on the thing. I feel so discombobulated. Dog. Sure is hot standing next to the oven. We're just gonna eyeball this. We don't know what we're doing. My animals are everywhere. They're everywhere. Certainly would have helped if I turned that other camera on sooner. Chicken is going to be good. Oh, I'm going to be making a really good sauce for chicken in a later episode. Matter of fact, I don't know what I was watching, but it looked really, really good. Oh, yeah. It was a bad story. Not of the food. Leopold. Get down. Ah, you did not. Whoa, Nelly. Get some olive oil going. Higher smoke point than olive oil.
Otherwise, I'll remind you in an hour.
I burned them a little bit. I almost thought I didn't have the cheese. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the tortillas. I'm sure you already know by now. Not tortillas, wraps. Ready to eat. Crepini's egg wraps. I don't know where you can see all, but it's really good. I don't know. I haven't tried yet. I'll let you know. Where's my thingy? I think I know where it is. This one is done. A completely unexpected thing. Okay, so I can't find the big one of this, and I have no time, so what are you going to do? And we all know why I shred cheese, right? Same pot from the deviled eggs. It was just boiled water. Alexa, how many cups are in a pint?
1 pint is 2 cups.
Why are things spitting? Here we go with my keto mac and cheese, although I should really call it keto cheese rice, but my brain wants to make it think it's mac and cheese. I do have this recipe. Here's a pic of it. 2 ounces of cream cheese. I should have called this meal prep with chicken. My beef recipe got screwed up. 1 1/4 of a teaspoon, but I'm just going to eyeball it. A little bit of salt. A lot of pepper because I like pepper. Microwave on high. 4 minutes. Just to get the tidbits unfrozen. Now, I know you guys are like, that's a lot of sauce. And I say it in my other video, but believe it or not, the sauce thickens up. All right, popping this in for 15 minutes. Cleaning up now. See, this is what it is in real life. Not those YouTube videos where it's all clean and chicken breast laid out here. Oh, what am I doing? I'm cracking this like it's a real egg. I should have ran these in some cool water. Yep. That's what I got out of the first egg. Look at it. It's so bad. Like, today is not the day. You know, when I was a little girl. Okay, now that it's nighttime. Just kidding. Y'all don't even know what time it was whenever I started this. All right, got my deviled eggs. I got them peeled. If y'all made it this far into the video, go ahead and put yikes down in the comments. And I don't like requesting that stuff. I do, though, want to mention I am using Primal Kitchen because it has avocado oil only. Any other stuff that says avocado oil, like Kraft, it's not really because they have canola oil, all that stuff in there. Okay, here's my thoughts on Primal Kitchen. Mayo. Yes, I use it. Yes, you should. Problem is, it has an unflattering taste. Here's a little tip that I know no one's telling, at least so far. I don't know. I haven't looked. A little bit of powdered whatever sort of sweetener you have in there. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying. Not to say that dirty keto is bad. It's not. I was on it for a while. Don't come at me. Y'all know how to make deviled eggs. Did I do something wrong yesterday? The foil just fell out of the box. I must have done something wrong. Karma is getting me real bad. Just trying to make a video. And then I totally forgot to put the timer on this. But that's okay because this can just... So you can't really tell. It's delicious, trust me. That's still hot. I'm going to let that sit. But we have all this packed up, the bacon with that, and then this. And for all you loyal people that stuck by the very end, I'm going to try the burnt chicken. And here's my deviled eggs. Okay, to all those people that stayed till the end, let's see how this is. Okay, the chicken is cooked remarkably well. I'm a little shocked. I can't just have chicken. I gotta have a dip. The pork rinds give it a little bit of a burnt taste, but that could be because it's burnt. But this is actually pretty darn good. I'm gonna toot my own little horn there. If you want to know how the bacon wrapped chicken is made, here's the recipe right here. Otherwise, I'll pop something else down here. See which one you like. Go on ahead and give that a shot. Thank you so much for sticking around till the very end. If you did, put yikes in the comments. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.